Hello knife lovers. Today I have a special review of the Buck 212 Fixed Blade Ranger. I was going to try to do a review later on and try to get more history on this knife, but I got excited. It's the newest knife in my collection, and what spurred this video was I watched a video by the Kirby Creek outfit, and it just got me really excited. I'm going to link a copy of his video below down in the description box. This is a limited production run. They made 385 of these. And of today's date, they are still listed on the Buck website. So I first saw this listing maybe a month or two ago, saw that it was a limited run, only 385. I thought, oh my, I'll never be able to save up enough money and time to get it because they're going to fly off the shelves. But here a couple weeks ago, I finally had enough money, and lo and behold, they were still available. So I feel very fortunate in being able to get this knife. So it's got a Cocobolo handle, approximately 4-inch satin finish blade, and aluminum pommel and guard. What I like about it is it's a shorter blade, but it still gives you a full-size handle. Really good grip there. Now I probably have, I guess, average size hands. I wear a large or extra large glove. So it just fits in there really nice. Nice grip to it. But it's just a beautiful knife. It's part of what Buck calls the Legacy series. So, part of the history, I believe this knife was probably made sometime in the 1940s. It's not a normal production run knife. So every now and then they do come out with the 212 Fixed Blade Ranger with different handle materials and such. And they do limited production runs on them. I want to talk about the sheath here real quick. I was reading one forum, and somebody commented that they thought that they should have had a better sheath for it. And he complained because it's the old slit style sheath where you run your belt through here. Well, if this is a knife from the 1940s era, that's typical of the sheaths back then. This is how they used to make them. So it would be fitting for this knife to have a sheath just like this. It is black leather, a beautiful distressed leather. It's hard to see in there, but it does have the Buck logo right here. And it is made in the USA, another benefit, as well as the knife is made in the USA, as about 80% of Buck knives are. So the blade steel on it is a 420 high carbon with the Boss heat treatment. And what else would I like to say about this knife? I didn't make a lot of notes here. This is kind of impromptu. So I would like to take a minute here to thank all of my subscribers. And if you haven't done so, along with subscribing, if you can hit the notification bell. That way you can get notified when a new video comes out. And for anyone else that comes across this video, please hit the like button, share the video. Comments are always welcome. I really enjoy reading comments. And please subscribe and hit the notification bell. So I'm going to keep this short and sweet. Everyone have a fine time out there looking for that next favorite knife.